Hello, everyone. I'm James.
Hello, everyone. I am Alice.
Welcome back to Easy English for You. Today, I want to start with a very real story. Imagine it is 7 p.m. You just finished a long day of work. You drive your car to your apartment. You are in the parking lot now. You see the lights of your home, but you do not open the car door. You just sit there in the dark. You look at the steering wheel for 10 or 20 minutes. You feel very tired, not just in your body. You feel tired in your heart. You ask yourself a question. Why is my life so boring? Why does everything feel empty and gray?
Oh my God, that story is too real. I see my father doing that every day. He sits in the car for a long time. He looks very sad and lonely. Is this a big problem, James?
No, Alice. It is not a problem with the person. It is a signal from the brain. Your brain is telling you something important. Today, we will talk about why life feels empty, and I will give you a small key to open a new door.
James, I am a beginner in English. Please use very, very easy words.
I promise, Alice, I will speak like I am talking to a child, because our hearts need simple comfort today.
Thank you, James. So, why does the world feel so boring now? When I was young, everything was exciting.
The first reason is because your brain is too smart. Your brain learns things too well. Think about your favorite food. If you eat it every day for 20 years, is it still good?
No, it is not.
That's right. Your brain gets used to things. When your brain knows everything, it stops being excited. It's like a new car. On day 1, you love the car. On day 100, it is just a chair on wheels. Your brain says, I know this car already. No more joy for you.
Oh, I see. So my brain is just too familiar with my life.
Yes, Alice. You have seen the same road for 20 years. You have seen the same office for 20 years. Your brain is taking a nap because it knows everything.
But James, that's not the only reason, right? My father feels a different kind of sadness.
You are right, Alice. There is a second reason. I call it the silent ATM machine.
A silent ATM machine? You mean like the machine that gives money?
Yes, Alice. Think about a father's life. His children want money for school. His boss wants more work for the company. His wife wants help with the house. Everyone says, give me more. But no one asks him a question. No one asks, how are you today? No one asks, what do you want to eat? Do you feel like this too?
That is so true and so sad. My father is like a ghost in the house. He is there, but people do not see him.
Yes, he becomes a person that nobody sees. When no one sees you, you stop seeing yourself. You forget that you are a human being. You think you're just a tool for money.
James, I want to cry now. This is why he sits in the car. In the car, no one asks for money. In the car, he is a person.
Yes, Alice, that is right. The car is his only island. But we cannot live in a car forever. We need to find a new way to feel alive.
How, James? How can we help these men?
We need to change the story in our brain. We need to stop looking for success. We need to start looking for meaning.
Meaning? That sounds like a big word, too. What is meaning in easy English?
Meaning is the answer to the question, why? Why am I here? Why am I doing this? It is not about feeling happy like a party. It is about feeling peace in your heart.
How can we find peace when life is so busy?
Think about a tree in winter. Look at the tree outside. It has no flowers. It has no green leaves. It looks dead and gray.
Yes, the trees in winter look very lonely.
But they are not dead, Alice. They are growing deep roots under the ground. Roots are under the ground. They help the tree stand strong. You are in your winter season now. You are not boring. You are just growing your roots deep.
Oh, I understand now. The tree is getting stronger in the dark.
Yes, Alice. You are getting stronger in your quiet time. You are learning who you really are.
But James, can English really help with this? English is just a language.
English is more than a language, Alice. English is a new identity.
Identity? James, another long word. Please help me.
I'm sorry, Alice. Identity means who you are. In your own language, you are a tired worker, but in English, you are a new baby. You are starting a new life.
Oh, so when I speak English, I am not a tired father.
No, you are a curious student. Your brain wakes up when you speak a new language. It says, "Oh, this is a new sound. Oh, this is a new word." The brain stops taking a nap.
That sounds like magic. Does it really work?
Yes, because English is very direct. In English, you always start with the word I. I am happy. I am tired. I am here.
You are right. I always say I first in English.
This helps you focus on yourself. It tells your brain that you are important. You are the main character of your life.
James, can we practice some sentences for the parking lot? I want to give these to my father.
Let's do it, Alice. This is the 3-sentence power set. Please repeat after me slowly. Sentence 1. I am more than my job.
I am more than my job.
Sentence 2. I am okay.
I am okay.
Sentence 3. I am starting again.
I am starting again.
How do you feel, Alice?
I feel like I am standing up. It is a very strange feeling.
It is a powerful feeling. You are telling the world that you are still here.
James, I have a story from a listener. A man named Mr. Sato from Japan sent an email. He says, I am 55 years old. I feel like a broken machine. I work 10 hours every day. I have no time for joy.
Thank you, Mr. Sato, for your honest letter. You are not a broken machine. You are a tired hero. You have protected your family for 30 years. That is a miracle.
A miracle? James, do you think his life is a miracle?
Yes, Alice. Giving your life for others is the most beautiful thing. But now Mr. Sato needs to give some love to himself.
What should he do first?
He should find one small thing every day. Not a big thing, not an expensive thing, just a small thing.
Like drinking a cup of tea?
Yes, but he must say it in English. I am drinking tea now. This is my time.
Oh, so the English makes it a special ceremony.
That's right. It tells the brain this is a new moment. Do not try to be perfect, Mr. Sato. Perfect is a trap for men like you.
Wait, James, perfect is a trap? Why?
Because you always try to be a perfect father. You always try to be a perfect worker. You are always under pressure. But in English, please be a bad student. Make many mistakes. Laugh when you say the wrong word. Be like a 5-year-old child.
That sounds very fun. My father never laughs at his mistakes. He is always so serious.
That makes him lose his joy. In this English class, we love mistakes. Mistakes mean you are trying something new.
James, I am learning so much today. Life is like a big house with 8 rooms, right?
Yes, Alice, you are entering the 7th room now. The first 6 rooms were for school and work and family, but the 7th room is for you.
What is inside the 7th room? Is there a big TV?
No, Alice. There is a comfortable chair and a window. You can look at the sky. You can listen to the birds. You can enjoy the simple taste of water. You do not need strong candy anymore. Now you can enjoy silence.
I want to go to that room, James. I think my father wants to go there too.
You are already there, Alice. Every person watching this video is in that room. That is why you feel bored. You are waiting for something deeper.
Listeners, are you in the 7th room? Please tell us in the comments. What did you love to do when you were 20? Maybe you loved music or drawing pictures. Please write one thing in English.
For example, I loved music.
Or I loved mountains.
Yes, please share your heart with us. We will read your comments and cheer for you.
James, it is time to say goodbye soon. Can you summarize today's lesson one more time?
Yes, Alice. First, your brain is bored because it knows everything. Second, you are not an ATM machine. You are a person. Third, you are like a tree in winter, growing deep roots. And fourth, use simple English to find yourself again.
I am more than my job. I am okay. I am starting again. These sentences are my best friends now.
You are a great student, Alice. I am so proud of you.
James, I also want to talk about the PDF file. If you join the membership, you can get the PDF. It has all these sentences in easy English. It is very helpful for me.
Yes, the PDF is a great tool for beginners. It is a small way to help our channel. And please subscribe and like this video. It helps our message reach more tired fathers.
Thank you, James, for the warm teaching today. My heart feels a little bit warmer now.
I am happy to hear that, Alice. To everyone in the parking lot right now, please open the car door. Go inside and hug your family. But remember, you are still you. You are strong and you are important.
Next time, we will talk about a new topic. We will talk about why we feel empty even when we have money or success. It is a very deep story.
I can't wait to share that with you. Take a small step today. Say, I am me, out loud. You are doing a great job. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep going and keep growing.